So that one Indian brand defeated a giant like Sony, JBL, and Skull Candy without inventing a new technology. And they did not, build factories. They did not spend thousands of crores on research, and yet within just few years they became India's number one audio brand. This is the story of boAt, and we will discover how Aman Gupta, one of the smartest marketing strategies in modern Indian business. So, boAt was founded in 2016. At that time, India's headphone market had two types of products, like premium brands like Sony, JBL, and Bose, and cheap Chinese product also for poor quality and no warranty and bad design. It was very cheap, but young Indians wanted stylish gadgets at an affordable price. What always they want. So nobody was serving this market, and instead of asking why what technology should we build, he asked what do in young Indians actually want. So the single question changed everything. So most electronic companies and cell specifications and battery drivers, Bluetooth, vision, noise cancellation, and but both sold identity. Their message became very popular, like you are young, so you are bold, you are different, and even their tagline reflected this, like plug into nirvana. So customer were not buying earphones, they were buying a lifestyle. So they become I think sometimes your tagline also became more popular. It's better popular than your product, because see the become there this looking boat became their biggest weapon. And instead of creating expensive technology, they source the products and from manufacture and improve quality. So focused on heavily on branding, this kept cost very low. So also premium look what people wanted, and premium packaging, premium experience, and affordable price. So result, high perceived value. Because before influencer marketing became popular, boAt invested heavily in creators, fitness creators, gamers, tech YouTubers, fashion YouTubers, Instagram creators, and instead of one celebrity, they worked with thousands of micro influencers. So this is called uh, influencer marketing. So customer kept seeing bold everywhere. If if one influencer has a thousand followers, and they give it to small influencer, because they also charge very small amount, and they have also very real audience. And so it is easy for for marketing also. The brand became unavoidable. So close the brand became popular. The scale using celebrities. Some major faced included also, like Hadi Pandya, Kiara Advani, KL Rahul, Meera Kapoor. See, both even partner with major sports leagues and entertainment events. This makes the brand aspirational. So most brand, when most brand focused on offline stores, and both focused on online first. Then their strategy, aggressive pricing and excellent product reviews, then fast deliveries, so eye-catching product also, and SEO optimized listing and flash sale. They dominated also Amazon and Flipkart. This reduce also marketing cost. So every sale generated more reviews, and more reviews created more trust, and trust generated even more sales. When Aman Gupta joined a TV show Shark Tank India, his personal brand exploded and millions of started recognizing him. And this incredibly marketed board every week. Instead of paying for advertisement, the founder himself became the advertisement. And this is called founder led branding. So today many startups are copying this strategy, and also both customers are called both customers are called both trade. This simple branding creating also belonging. Customers proudly shared and gym photos, travel reels, workout videos, gaming setup, also using broad products. The user themselves became a marketers, and that reduced customer acquisition cost. See, marketing uh, within a few years, boAt became one of the India's most largest wearable brands, and highlight include after Shark Tanks of Aman Gupta, they built a over 1500 crore annual revenue during this rapid growth phase. Millions of products also sold, and market leader is Indians audio wearable for multiple years according to industry reports. So it's not they why bought own, because they did not invent technology. They understood customers better than the competitors, and their formula, and build branding, sales, emotion, use influencer at the keep price also affordable. So dominate online marketplace, build founder brand, create loyal community. That's repeat. So what we learn from Aman Gupta, ki know your audience before building a products, and brand perception often matters more than technical superiority. And also small influencer can outperform traditional advertisement. A founder's of personal brand can become a company's biggest asset. So boAt did not become successful because it made a best earphones. It became successful because it made millions Indians feel that brand was made specially for them. So that is the power of marketing. And if you enjoyed this business of business case study, then subscribe for more deep dives and India's biggest business success stories. Follow for more. So bye, good night.